Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find the Tiger Vanguard in Black Myth, Wukong. This boss is a significant challenge in Chapter 2, but with the right approach, you can overcome it. We'll cover its location, essential combat strategies, and helpful tips to make your encounter smoother. Get ready to face this formidable foe and claim your rewards. To begin your journey, you must first defeat the King of the Flowing Sands and his second prince. After this victory, take a left turn from their battle arena and continue into the Valley of Despair. The path through the valley is quite direct, leading you straight to the Crouching Tiger Temple. Once inside, you'll find the Tiger Vanguard boss near a distinctive pool of blood, ready for battle. The Tiger Vanguard often starts with a powerful jump attack. Dodge this immediately. After dodging, use your immobilize spell to create an opening for several quick attacks. Be cautious when he uses his rock-solid ability, as hitting him during this phase will stun you. Also, keep your distance when he unleashes his roar or throws projectiles, as these can deal significant damage. Focus on mastering perfect dodges. They are crucial for interrupting his relentless combos and recovering your stamina. Many players find it helpful to defeat the Stone Vanguard boss beforehand to acquire the Gale Guard armor, which can provide a defensive edge. Utilizing a Spirit Helper or creating clones can also distract the Tiger Vanguard, giving you valuable openings. Upon victory, you'll earn the Keenness of Tiger and the rock-solid spell.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.